And in this video we're going to be looking at unboxing this Samsung Galaxy Tab A, which is an SMT 295 model, model 2019. So we're going to be focusing on unboxing it and reviewing the same Galaxy Tab A version. So it's a brand new, as you can see. This is we're going to be unwrapping it, so let's start right away. So moving on, this is the box it came with, so I have to unwrap it, open it gently so that I can have a feel or a view from the inside. So what you have to remove the top cover, removing the top cover, and once we get that, we get this Samsung Galaxy Tab in here. So we, it comes along with a USB cable. Then in it has a sticker which shows the color and this serial number and the model number rather. So let's put that aside as well. And inside here it has a manual. It contains a manual and also has a SIM card tray opener, SIM card tray pin opener, which is here. So let's first get the manual and see. So this is the manual it contains, and it comes with a charger. This is its charger. So let's put all that aside. Now let's get the phone itself and open it up. So we'll just get it out, and this is how it looks. It's a silver phone, and this is how it looks. So let's try powering it on and see. It has the power button on this other side. Then after the power button, there is the volume up and volume down button, which is entirely in one single button, but does all the two functions. There's the upper one and then the lower one. Then down here, this other side, it has a USB port where you insert your charger, where you insert this other charger. Then it has two double speakers on the sides, Then moving on this side, this is where it has the SIM card tray and the memory card tray. So let's try opening up the SIM card tray. You get the pin and press it in here. So you get out the tray. This is the type of tray. One has the SSD card, and then here it has the slot for the tray. So let's put that back, and now let's try powering it up. Pressing the power button. It has a camera which is pretty good, so we shall check it out. Let's first press it to reboot. So when you open it, it gives you this prompt. So here you choose the language that you want to use. There's that drop down list for languages that you want to use. So I'll go ahead and choose I'll choose English, and once I'm done choosing the language, I'll choose OK. So once I'm done, I will just click on that next arrow to move forward. So let's press it. Now here there's a message. It gives me check out some info to get started. So here it has these two that are mandatory, and then the downer one are option. So the first one is checking the end user agreement, and of course agreeing on the policies. Then the second one is the privacy policy. So once the third one is sending off diagnostic data. Then the other one is information linking. So we've chosen the mandatory ones, and then I'm choosing next here. I'll choose next. So here it will show me the available Wi-Fi networks, but I wouldn't want to connect to any network for now, because if you connect to the network, it will ask you for logins, but it will need you to have a Google account or rather a Samsung account to connect to this tab. So I would skip the connectivity, the Wi-Fi connectivity. Then it will ask me whether I would like to copy applications and data. Since I'm not copying or transferring from any other gadget, I will just choose the don't copy option. So I'll click on don't copy, and it will take me to this window, and it will the Google services windows. So it will prompt, I will have to read all this, and then after that I will just accept to those terms and conditions. Then it will come to the protect tablet. You can choose which pattern, which format you want to protect it. Either you insert a pattern or a pin or a password, any of the three. But for now, let's skip that. We shall do it. Maybe you can do it later, depending on what you want. So I'll skip that. Skip anyway. Signing in into the Samsung account. In case you have a Samsung account, you can always just sign in, but since we don't have so far, we can just skip this in case you don't want. So I'm skipping anyway, skipping all these. Once it's all done, it will prompt you to click on finish. So I'll click on finish, and this is the layout. It will give that notification, and this is what is entailed in. So let's check it out. Let's check out the information about this tab. It's a Galaxy Tab A 8.0, which is a 2019 model, and here are the serial numbers. It's serial numbers. So let's checking on the software information. It has an Android installed in